Welcome in tutorial class for how to play a singing bowl. There are prerequisites preparation if you want to effectively play a singing bowl. One being how you are placing the bowl, that I have already covered in the previous video. Second is how you are holding and what kind of striker you are using. Today I'm going to be showing you a video with a wooden striker, and this striker also has a coating of felt. Now not all wooden strikers would have a felt on it, but I would prefer using the one with felt because otherwise there is a sound of friction between the wood and the metal of the bowl. So when you go out there to choose to buy a striker, try to buy one with a felt striker. Now how to use or hold first. Imagine this is like a pen or a pencil, and how would you hold a pen or a pencil? In between your thumb and your first finger. Okay, like this is how you would write, correct? So try to hold it not at towards the edge, okay, otherwise the movement of the striker will not be under your control. Best would be to hold it a little bit on the top side, okay, but it is free for movement. Don't lock it between your finger and your thumb. So let it be free, let it move, okay. Now the hand movement when you are doing is, if it's a small bowl you can just move your wrist. If it's a big bowl you can use your hand to do the complete movement. So here I have a bowl which is made of brass, handmade, hand hammered, and it is of 432 Hertz. Today we are going to be using this bowl to learn how to strike. So first, the placing of the bowl, holding striker like a pen or a pencil. First, whenever you are using a hard strike of this type, you do not bang the bowl very loud. So for the first strike, you hold the striker with the felt up and leaving about a centimeter on the top side. You should be striking the bowl gently, not very loud. If you will strike the bowl very loud, there are higher chances of disturbance in your body and you developing a headache. So just soft. Beautiful resonance, isn't it? Right? So whenever you're using a striker of this type, which is made of wood and has a felt, strike it gently, or else it's going to give you a headache. So this is the striking methodology. Now if you want to go into relaxation, you should strike and you should let the sound to completely disappear, and only then do your next strike. Now let us learn how to rim. Rimming is very, very, very interesting and it's very meditative. So I strike the bowl first and then I turn it into a pen, and with a gentle contact with the bowl, I roll the striker. And the resonance of the sound will go on, and that is exactly what is going to take you in a meditative state. In the upcoming video, I'm going to teach you how to rim, the correct technique of rimming the singing bowl to get the best sound, the resonance possible.